Alright guys, so after a night of curing, this is what we have now. So they look so cute. I love these. They're actually extremely pretty. But these are the trays. And I did do the Krylon triple thick spray already, and I did that before I actually put the resin in. I'm not sure if I mentioned that before, but this is the finished result. They're super cute. They have a little heft now because of the resin, and with the spray and the resin now they are water resistant, and these will look super adorable in my stepmom's bathroom. So I hope she loves them, and I hope you guys like them as well. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, of course, and subscribe if you feel so inclined. But that is it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks, guys. Bye.